Okay, so I am going to try to do this video on here. I hope you guys can hear me. Sometimes my computer records my voice, sometimes it doesn't. If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna do it on my phone. But I figured it would help to see my screen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share my screen, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about the project for next week. So I don't know why I'm singing Christmas songs, but it's been going within my head because I'm a crazy person. All right, so when you guys log into Buzz this week, so I have already updated Buzz. It's Friday, but I wanted to update it ahead of time because next week I realize that is usually our built-in break. Now, the reason that we are not here, teachers are not here Thursday and Friday, is because whenever the governor said you guys are not going back to school on the 13th, you're going to go back on the 24th, we still had to go to school. So I still was up here learning things and doing things and working on stuff. But you guys were at home still. And so that's why they're trying to have you guys do work while we are not here. And it's normally a break, but since we lost those days of actual class time, that's why they did this. So when you look on Buzz, this is my pre-AP Buzz. Everyone's Buzz should look very similar. Reminder again, Buzz grades are not official grades. Okay. So this week you have a biography assignment. So let me scroll down to the biography assignment. If you scroll down to your folders, it is under November's. November's, we have Mondays. You have a biography lesson. So basically, it's just teaching you what a biography is. A biography is a book written about somebody, about their life. So if I were to write an entire book about George Washington, about Barack Obama, about Hitler, anybody, it would be their story and their life. And obviously, that comes from my own point of view. And so let's talk a little bit about that. Just go through the read it, watch it, assess it. I may try to do a video, but I don't want to overload you on Buzz. So I'm trying to do this video as a overview of your project. But I don't think your read it's very. Let's just go over. We'll just go over the read it. So the read it here. I don't want to bombard you too much. If you look through the biography, it tells you what a biography is. It tells you that it includes a point of view. If I write a biography on my least favorite president, Andrew Jackson, like, you're gonna hear the terrible things he did on the Trail of Tears. You might not hear the positive things he did when it comes to money and the reason he's on the $20 bill. If I am a person who doesn't like Barack Obama and I write his biography, my opinion in some way is going to come out, and vice versa. I'm not telling you political views. I'm just telling you, when you write about somebody's life, you get an impression of that person. If you are a Nazi and you write a biography about Adolf Hitler, it is going to be a lot different than if you are not a Nazi and do not believe the same things that Hitler does, because your point of view is affected. Everything has a point of view. The news has a point of view. That's why it's very important that you remain neutral as much as you can when it comes to being a news reporter and things like that, information writing. So it tells you that different things about biographies. So you're going to go through here. You're going to read a little bit about Theodore Roosevelt. And then it tells you about this biography here. It tells you where she was born and things like this. So I just want you guys to get an idea of what a biography is. You do not have to go through all of it. I just want you to have an idea. Then there is a watch it. I want you guys to watch this because it does identify the point of views within literature and why it's important for, as you're writing a biography, to try to remain that third person objective point of view. Okay. And then the show it. I just wanted you to see this so that you could see how these questions might be found. I am not going to sign these show it's because their answers are here. Plus, they're not formatted right. Lots of different things. Then there's a little assess it. After the assess it, you come to the biography assignment. This is your project for the next week. So you are going to be turning this assignment in on Monday the 9th. If you are a virtual kid, please, please, please do not put my class off and then end up having to do all this work late. Like, it's much easier if you do a little bit at a time. And that's how I've done this. So if you think, oh, it's an easy class and I'm just going to do it all on Sunday, well, that's a lot of work for Sunday. So keep that in mind. So you're going to research an author. What you're going to do first is you're going to click on this blue link. On this blue link, I have given you a list of authors. Now, why would I choose authors? Because it's not something you know much about. I don't want to give you a topic that you've heard about a zillion times. I wanted to give you a topic that maybe you don't know much about. These are all historically famous authors, male, female, black, white, variety. What you can do is you're going to choose which one. I've given you what they're famous for. So if I choose Edgar Allan Poe, he's famous for his dark stories and his like dark ideas. Okay, Langston Hughes is my favorite African-American male poet. He's on here. William Shakespeare, known for writing Romeo and Juliet, and he's British. We have like the Lord of the Rings guy. We have Toni Morrison, which was the first African-American to win a Nobel Prize. We have Mark Twain. You're going to choose one of these. Choose one. And you can come back to the website. You can come back to the website, I think. Oh no, I stopped sharing my screen. Y'all, technology. I hope I'm not doing all this for nothing, too. I hope this records. So when I go back to Buzz, I have my biography assignment. So today, what you're going to do on Monday is you're going to get some general information about your person. So you will include facts from here, but I don't want you to copy and paste history.com, biography.com. Don't do that. Rewrite it in your own words. You can use the information, but make sure to format it. If you don't format it, I know you copied and pasted it. So this tells you exactly what I want your project to be. You're going to be creating a Google Slides. Simple, easy, 10 slides. It is due by November 9th at midnight. Even if, sorry, I'm getting earthquake updates. The earthquake just happened today. And now the death toll has risen by 10. So 14 people have died. Probably more by the time you watch this. All right, you can choose to either do a Google Slides presentation or a Prezi. Here's the deal with this, is you're probably going to have to either attach a link onto the assignment or you're going to have to share it with me some way. I do not want you to have any plagiarized work on here. This should be in your own words. We are working on information already and how to find facts. So these are the things you need. 10 slides, general information included. So general information like who were they, what did they do, when were they born, when did they die. Cover information about the author's life, their personal life, information about their work. So if I'm William Shakespeare, I wrote Romeo and Juliet, I wrote Tale of Two Cities, I wrote blah, blah, blah. The highlights of the author's work. So you're going to tell them about their work and then like what's the highlight. So William Shakespeare wrote a lot of plays, but his most famous one would probably be Romeo and Juliet. He also wrote quite a few other ones, Hamlet and a bunch of others. Summary of the person. So William Shakespeare was an author. He wrote this. Pictures of the person. Now, if you are doing William Shakespeare, there's not a lot of real, there aren't any real pictures of him, but there are lots of like drawings people did. And no spelling errors, attractive or easy to read. If you choose a dark slide, do not choose dark font. And you must give credit to the websites used. I've provided all the websites for you. On this first one, when you click here, this is the first link you're going to do. For Tuesday's work, I hate this. This keeps doing this. It's annoying. For Tuesday's work, I've given you a different sets of slides. So here, this is the biography assignment. So for Monday, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your link. So if you do Edgar Allan Poe, you're going to click on biography.com and you're going to do that. So that tells you what the biography research is for today. So for Monday, you're going to find the name of the person, date of birth, date of death, who are they, facts about their early life, so like when they were a kid, what happened to them, one quick fact, so an easy quick fact you learned, and then some pieces of their famous work. That's all you're doing for Monday. If you put this class off, you will have to do the assignment for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Monday. Because on Monday, I'm not giving you just time to work on the project. I'm giving you extra time to work on it, but I'm going to give you another assignment for Monday. Okay? Tuesday, I've also given you my sample. I did a sample on Ernest Hemingway. You can click on here. Ernest Hemingway is a pretty fascinating dude. He wrote The Sun Also Rises, The Old Man and the Sea. He wrote For Whom the Bell Tolls, and he actually lived in Arkansas at one point in time. So then when you go to Tuesday's work, you have an autobiography, read it, an autobiography, watch it, an autobiography, assess it, in addition to working on this project. So for the project for Tuesday, what you're going to do is you're going to find facts. I need you to find, I think it's 10 facts, and you need to give credit to your website. Do you have to go look up your own website? Nope, don't want you looking up your own website, actually, because I've provided websites for you. So I've provided, if you're doing Edgar Allan Poe, I've given you 2 additional websites, 2 videos you can use. Doll, same thing. Videos will be for Wednesday. So Wednesday's assignment, make sure that's where you write your videos, okay? Then when it comes to Tuesday, you also have a check-in. Please make sure to do those. That's how I get to see how you're doing. Wednesday, when it comes to Wednesday, you have this assignment right here. And it's where you're going to take notes over your videos. So you have 2 or 3 videos, and you're going to take notes over what happened in the video. What did you learn from the video? You have to give credit to where you found your stuff from. And then if you find any more additional facts, this is a place where you can find additional facts. Thursday, super easy. I'm not here on Thursday. Students are not here physically in person. It's going to be quite easy. Well, Wednesday you're not either. Wednesday, your job is to go through, put your slides together, add in photos, make your presentation beautiful. It says here November 8th. I'm going to change it to November 9th. I've changed it to 1 extra day because kids are complaining about having too much work. Friday, same thing on Friday. Make your slides beautiful. So Friday's work is, today I want you to focus on catching up on our project. I've moved the due date to Monday. Today you should edit, revise, find facts, create your project, whatever you need to do, but I'm giving you extra time to work on this, which means I expect more out of you than just some basic like 5th grade slides, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to put another video up as well, but I just wanted to give you a big video telling you exactly what I expect out of you. So you are researching an author from that list, not an additional author, not an author of your choice. You are not using additional links. I have given you the links. I've given you 3 websites at least and 2 videos. That's enough for this project. That's more than enough, actually. And the project is due on Monday, the 9th at midnight. Please, even if you are virtual, please have it done by then. I think I've given you ample time to get that done. If you have questions, call me, reach out to me, ask me. I'm available to answer questions. It is not cheating. I had a student say it was cheating today. It's not cheating. I get help, especially when you need it. All right. I hope you guys have a great Halloween. I hope you guys are having a great Dia de los Muertos. I hope you're having a great week, and I will see you later. Bye.